Okay, the first thing I did was to log into my Pinterest account and then go to the search bar and type premium birthday flyer. Okay, you can see the search bar at the top. Yes, this place, the search bar, premium birthday flyer. So once you search for what you want, then you will see the images, the graphics. Okay, now pick any one of your choice and you can just download it by clicking these three dots at the downside. If it's this one that you want, just click on download image. Okay, click on download image. Okay, so once you download the image, then we are going to go to what ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us what prompts, a strong prompt that is used to create that design. Okay, so like this design right now. Okay, let me show you my design. Okay, the flyer I got from this Pinterest. Okay, let me show you from my downloads. Okay, so this is the flyer. This birthday flyer I got it from Pinterest. So then I asked ChatGPT to give me the prompts. I go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me the prompts. So if you don't know what's ChatGPT, just go on your Google and search ChatGPT. It's an AI tool. Okay. So once it gives you the prompt, then you go to Gemini AI, and then paste the prompt, and then you get something like this. Okay. So this is my own design. So now let's go to Gemini AI. Okay. Okay, this is my Gemini AI. Okay. So once you are in your Gemini AI like this, okay, wait for it to load. Okay, this is the image. Okay, let it load. Okay, so I used the prompts and I got this. So this was what I got when I go to ChatGPT, and then I got the prompts. This is the prompts. Okay, this is the prompts. So once I paste it here, I was able to generate that image. Okay. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'll go to ChatGPT right now. Okay, let me open ChatGPT. Okay, go to your Google and type ChatGPT. So I'm at ChatGPT right now, so I have to click this plus sign. Once I click this plus sign, I'll click on add photos. Add photos. Now from here, you now choose the flyer you got from Pinterest. So just click done and then wait for it to load very well. Once it loads, now you can then input something like, please give me the exact prompt used to do what, to get this beautiful birthday flyer. Give me the exact prompt used to get this beautiful birthday flyer design. Please give me the exact prompts used to get this beautiful birthday flyer design. Okay, just you can send it. Okay. Okay, see it here. So this is the prompt. This is the prompt from ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT to give me the exact prompts used to get this beautiful birthday flyer design, and this is the prompt. Okay. So you can copy this prompt right now and go to Gemini AI. Okay. You copy the prompts. Okay. So this, for you to copy the prompt, just do what? Hold the text, and then you drag. Okay. You drag it up. Okay. Drag it up to do what? To copy everything. you have to copy everything. Okay, just click this copy icon at the top, copy it. Okay, then you go to Gemini, AI, and then paste the prompt. And then paste the prompt. Okay, let me see if I okay, look at the prompts here. Now watch the magic. So this is the prompt, image size. Okay, watch how it will load right now. So this is how I was able to create this beautiful birthday flyer using AI. So the first thing is to go to Pinterest. Once you go to Pinterest, you find the design you want, download it, then you go to where? To ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give you what? The exact prompt used for that design. Then once it gives you the exact prompt, then come to Gemini and upload the prompt, and then you have something like this. Okay, so this is how to do what? Generate beautiful AI images using AI. Okay.